Alright, today we're going to be replacing the courtesy lights on the door. That's the incandescent bulb, and we're replacing with an LED bulb. Okay, so to actually pry off this light fixture, there's actually an arrow here, so whoever designed this was smart. There's an arrow right here, I don't know if you can see it. That's telling you, stick your little small flathead screwdriver in there, and just wiggle its way in there until you pop it off. And from here, it's hard to do with one hand, there's a little circuit connection right there. Same deal, pinch this white part, wiggle it off, and voila. Okay, here's an up-close look at the light fixture, the housing cover. And to remove this, just grab onto this plastic part here with your thumb and pinch towards the left, and then slide the gray part to the right, and it should come off. And the bulb itself is in there. That's gonna be kind of hard to get off, actually. How the hell? Oh, okay, I get it. So this part should come out. Okay, that just slides out like this. It slides out. I was gonna say, how do you grab onto that bulb? And same deal, grab onto the bulb, wiggle it side to side, and it should come out. So this is the incandescent bulb. And we are gonna be replacing it with one of these. Put this there. These are nice because I got a pack of 10 of these bright white LEDs for $10. Not much at all. Very cheap nowadays. Let's try to grab this bulb. Looks like I'm playing with myself. And here they are. Comparison. This is the future. Alright, so let's put this back in here. Try not to lose all your parts like I do. So much light. There we go. So, slides in like so. Make sure there's a good connection there. There's that. This part goes back on like so. And this one, I believe, slides on like this. No, that's not right. It has to go on like this. There we go. Just clicks right into place. Alright, let's put this bad boy back in. Slide that on, make that connection. Try not to pinch any wires. And it should just pop right back in there. And ta-da! Let's see the light turn on. Hard to see during the daylight, but that's on there. It's bright.